Ashish ji is our impact partner from Harsha Trust. Sir, if you could share your experiences and the challenges
Sure.
the community faced during the COVID times.
Definitely. Just I am waiting for my turn.
Please go ahead, sir.
So thank you. At the outset, at the beginning, I must congratulate all our partners who has been partnering with Rangde, and all credit goes to Rangde to being a bridge between the social investor and the community, keeping the civil society organizations as a facilitator for the whole process. I must say that there are three major critical points as the timing of this product and the intent and the quantity. I must say it is very optimum. There must be some need of higher credit, definitely. But what we have able to access is the 20,000 per person per credit. So what I am saying the context of our South Odisha. As Vasan is also a partner to Harsha Trust in other programs like millet promoting in millet in Odisha, and we are also partner in South Odisha. So the context is very well known to some of the partners who are there in this platform. So bank credit is almost 0.01% in our operational areas. We are operating in 4 blocks of Koraput and Nabarangpur. Yes, definitely the microfinance lending and the huge amount of non-formal credit through our sahukars, our gontias, whatever the terminology we are using in different parts of the Odisha or India, mostly the money lenders or the middlemen in the rural areas. So what Corona has done to this community, everybody has said that, but I must say, had it not been Rangde stepped in the right point time, so this community, this 5,000 plus borrowers who have been supported by this Rangde initiative, would have been fall into a different trap, which has been more disastrous for this community rather than the Corona has done into their lives. There are two situations I want to elaborate. One is the, as your report already shared that, one is the sale of the produces, which could have been trapped by the middleman, and another one is the start of the Kharif in the next 2020 Kharif. So these two situations, the people would have been into the prey of these money lenders, and in this part of Odisha, the normal rate of interest of money lenders is 60 to 120%. So the huge amount of interest burden, and that has gone to this 5,000 plus members, and we have at least our share is around 1,235 or some odd, I think so. So those farmers, at least they could have been a different disastrous trap, which might have taken at least 3 to 5 years to get out of that trap. So this is the one single point, which is the most valuable point at the critical Corona period. Second one is the inflow of the migrants to these rural areas. That has created a more pressure on the individual household economy. So if a proper credit and a structural credit system has not been in place, though it is very less, I must accept this, that it is very less. We are operating with around 14,900 some odd farmers, and out of that around 1,300 farmers are linked through Rangde at least. So around 10% of farmers we could have linked. But even if it is a small number, but it is a great initiative, I could say. And this has a great opening for the borrowers to they can see now that yes, there is an opportunity to get out of this trap, because this trap, this moneylender trap is since their birth. So they have been seeing it from generation to generation, because whatever may be the commitments of the different governments, but all our partners are agree that banking system has not been reaching to the last mile of this country. So such initiatives by Rangde, and also a great salute to our social investors for this interest-free particularly. So definitely we are not much hopeful for this interest-free to continue for years to come. But a low credit interest product will be a need for the community, and that will be a definitely win-win situation for the APOs. We are operating through APOs. I will say that for others' information, we have 4 APOs, and all these 1,200 some odd borrowers are linked through 4 APOs, and APOs have some commitments to its shareholders. So credit is one of the major commitment and major source to bind its shareholders to its fold. So if credit is not available, you see the other inputs are also not available, because APO has not so much of corpus fund, because APO runs with its shareholders' money and shareholders' resources. So if shareholder has no money or no assured credit, then definitely the APO will cannot run as if it is owned. So it is a win-win situation for a shareholder and its company or its APO. For Harsha Trust, it is a perfect masterstroke. I can say at the perfect time, at the mid of the April, when we first attended the Zoom orientation through Asim and our team, other teams. It has been really a great opportunity for us to find such a beautiful product at such a critical time. So our team are, though we have done it, I must congratulate also my team members with so much of restrictions, and taking this unique product to the community. We have taken some time to establish a belief system. People are not very much of confident that yes, these people are taking so many times the different names, Aadhaar cards and other documents, but never a loan has been released to my account. So this time when people are sharing their pictures, their videos, they never believe that it will happen, because sitting in my home, I can get a loan or credit in my bank account, and a message will drop in my mobile, or my cadres will get me informed that yes, your loan is sanctioned and you can go to the bank and withdraw the money. So this is a means a life-changing event for our community, I can say. For other areas, I don't have such experiences, but in our South Odisha, people never see a loan product comes to their home and delivered without any harassment and any hassle. So to keeping short my sharings, so these are our feelings, and also I have shared one possibilities. Yes, if enterprise loans are possible, then we can start, because in this inflow situations, a lot of migrants are came down to rural pockets, and they are not very much interested to go back to their original migrated places. So they now want to start some enterprises through that APO. So if that is possible, then we can also bind and also tackle a situation of distress migration. So that is all my submission to Team Ramde.
Thank you so much, sir. That was insightful. And